Before you begin, make sure your Met barrier is upright, stable and in its final position. Check for any sharp edges or burrs that could catch or damage the cover. Now, locate the top opening of the Met barrier cover. Slide it down over the top like a sock. Make sure the printed panels face outward and the cover hangs evenly on both sides. Start on one side by threading a cable tie through the top eyelet and around the vertical bar of the barrier. Pull it snug to hold the position. This will anchor the cover in place while you work your way down. Now work your way down each side, attaching each eyelet using cable ties. Make sure each tie is firm but not too tight. You want the cover to sit flat without stressing the fabric. Next, move to the bottom hem. Start from the center eyelet and use cable ties to attach the cover to the bottom rail. Work your way outward on both sides to keep the tension even. Finally, trim off any excess from the cable ties for a neat, professional finish. Give the cover a quick once-over, check for sagging or creases, and adjust any ties if needed.